広島グリーンアリーナの会場に、ライブの熱がゆっくり広がっていく中で、藤井風さんのプリマツアー広島初日は、予定通りに進むだけのステージではありませんでした。今回のツアーでは、大きなスクリーンに映し出されるルーレットによって、日替わりの楽曲が選ばれる演出が用意されています。広島初日では、そのルーレットが旅路を指し、会場から大きな反応が起こったと伝えられています。ルーレットという遊び心のある仕掛けが、一曲の登場を少し特別なものにしていたようです。そして選ばれた旅路は、いつもの音源をそのまま再現する形ではなく、ロックを感じさせるアレンジで披露されたという声もありました。穏やかに進む印象の強い楽曲だからこそ、演奏の輪郭が変わると、同じ歌でも受け取る景色が違って聞こえます。広島公演は、プリマワールドツアーに先立って行われる国内アリーナツアーの1公演です。札幌、福井、広島の3都市を巡るこのツアーでは、作品の新しさだけでなく、これまでの楽曲が今の藤井風さんの表現の中でどうなるのかも注目されています。ルーレットは偶然を取り入れる演出です。でも、その偶然によって選ばれた曲を演奏する人たちがその場で自分たちの音にしていく。広島初日の旅路には、そんなライブならではの面白さがありました。同じ曲でも、同じ形では終わらない。その小さな変化が会場にいた人たちの記憶に静かに残っていくのかもしれません。
The opening night of Fujikaze Prema Tour marked the beginning of the new chapter as he brought his latest album Prema to the stage. The first stop was Hiroshima Green Arena, where excitement had been building long before. The lights dimmed, fans quickly began sharing clips from the concert online, and short fan-made highlights video captured the atmosphere from the opening moments through the encore. More than just a collection of performances reflected the warmth between the artist and the audience. Kaze appeared in a simple white shirt and a tie, creating a look that felt both elegant and relaxed. Throughout the evening, the lighting shifting with the mood of each song's warm amber tones filled the stage during quieter moments, while brighter colors transformed the arena as the music became more energetic. The visuals never overwhelmed the performance, instead, they complemented his vocal and the band's live sound, creating a calm yet impressive experience. The most memorable parts of the concert came during a special audience participation segment. A large root wheel was used to recite one additional song for the night set list. Rather than stopping it himself, Kaze invited the audience to shout together, turning the choice into the moment. While the wheel landed on a yellow section, he smiled and briefly admitted he forgotten which song belonged to that color, drawing laughter from the crowd before remembering an introduction. Tabaji, the performance that followed, became one of the evening's most talking about moments. During the open lyric, Kaze changed the familiar words to include Hiroshima, giving the song a local touch that immediately connected with everyone in the arena. The audience responded with enthusiastic applause, and many fans later described the moment as deeply personal because it acknowledged the city hosting the first show of the tour. So, as the song continues its message about life journey, changing relationship, and learning to embrace both joy and sadness together. So, for many fans, Hiroshima carried extra meaning because Fujikaze was born in nearby Okayama Prefecture, beginning this important tour in Chukoku region and waving Hiroshima into the lyric felt like a sincere gesture of parents' appreciation towards a place close to that route. With the tour only about underway, anticipation continues to grow. The daily roadway feature means every concert may include a different surprise, making each performance unique. No one knows which songs will appear next and how Kaze might interrupt it, and that sense of possibility has become one of the defining attraction of a pre-Prema tour.